Now this is for the academic interest. Now the government is saying safe distance, social distance. Safe distance will be 1 meter, that the minimum. Now we will go for the theory for the students of engineering colleges and science students of high schools. The maximum range of projectile. You see, this is a projectile. This is in the x direction and this is in the y direction. This projectile motion, here it is the point. Now this is the initial velocity at time t is equal to 0, and this velocity has two components. In the horizontal component v naught cos theta and the vertical component v naught sin theta. Now I have to reach here, and this is the range. When this is theta, this is the range. Now we have to find out the maximum range. Here in this point the vertical distance is 0 and horizontal distance is r. So you have a, from the basic school mathematics, school physics or mathematics, s is equal to ut plus half ft square. This is the velocity, initial velocity, and this is the acceleration when a particle is in motion. Of course, this can be extended to 2 dimension also. Now this is a 2-dimensional motion. This is in the x direction, the initial velocity, and this is in the y direction, the initial velocity. Now s at this point, s is equal to the distance, no? It is a 0. So s is equal to 0 is equal to, this is the initial velocity, into t, ut minus half gt square. Why ap is minus g? Because g is always in the downward direction and we have taken the this one in the upward direction, y. So this is minus g. So from here we get the value of t not equal to 0 in this case. So we have got, now what will be the r range? This is the initial velocity into time is, here is t, so v naught cos theta into t. So v naught cos theta into t. Okay, now we have put the value of t, so we got this one. So v naught square by g into sin 2 theta. Okay, now this is the range when theta is equal to theta. Now what will be the maximum value of this sin theta? It is nothing but 1, for which theta is 45 degree. So if theta is 45 degree, then this is the maximum range. When theta is 45 degree, theta is 45 degree, this is the maximum range, v naught square by g. Okay, now I will this is the data we have got it. The velocity, this is equal to 3.132 meter per second. Now here there is a nose of the average height of the human, and this is also the nose of the average height of the human. Now, so in that case, it has been practically found that V naught is this one is the maximum. Okay, it may be less, no problem, but for that maximum this will be 3.132 to the whole square. This is coming out to be 1 meter. Okay, now here is try to understand, if the theta is less than 45 degree, then the range will be somewhere here, so we are more safe. When theta